Morning folks, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how actually you have to set the clock on SV650. I really searched for videos, there were quite a few, but they were kind of very comprehensive and not really to the point, so I'll be getting straight to it. So what you have to do is, there are plenty of tutorials online, just 2 to 3 step process. You have to switch it on. In my motorcycle it has already been set, so what you have to do is you have to press both these buttons, the select as well as the adjust button. Let it focus. Okay, so once you press them, then these numbers will start blinking. The hour will blink first, so press it for a couple of seconds. See, now you can press the adjust and change the hours. Next, say if it's 7 hours and 6 minutes, so what you have to do is once your hour is set, you can go for minutes by pressing the select button, and then using adjust you can go to the desired minute that you want for your clock. Once done, you have to simply press the select button once again and it's done. Now you are ready to go on your ride. Cheers.